3, 2, 1.
A weather advisory has been issued.
Tornado watch, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Gallatin, Grant, Owen, and Pendleton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, Ohio Valley today, and or internet sources